Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone's finding ways to stay creative and to fill your time, especially if you're at home more these days, like many of us are. And so thinking of spring, and we're having some nice sunny weather right now, so I thought I would share these pretty paper flowers with you. So I've made these flowers with scrapbook paper, and I've used my punches and either pearl or acrylic for the centers. And so these would be great for package toppers. You could decorate cards with them. They'd be nice on gift bags or gift boxes as well. And I'll show you the ones I've done here. So most of these have, I've used white scrapbook paper for the larger petals, I should say, and then the middle center ones are in a colored scrapbook paper, and then white again for the smaller petals. And the punches I've used are my larger one here with the scalloped edge, and then this one here, it's kind of worn off on the top there, but it's probably a medium size one, and that's got a smaller scalloped edge, so that looks like this. And so this is what some of them look like here. I'll hold them up so you can have a better look, like this. And they're really easy to do. And so we'll do one together. Let's see. Okay, so I've punched the shapes out already, and then I just take a little pair of scissors and just cut towards the center. On the large one, I'm just doing it every 3 scallops. Like so. That works out for this one. And once I do that, I just kind of fold it together. I just kind of bend it around, and you can use something like it has a sort of a round flat end to kind of push it in. Just kind of will give it a little more shape. And you can keep them flatter if you want them flatter as well for a card or something. It depends what you're going to use them for. So that's the large part, and then this will be the center here, which I've already cut, this little white one here. So I use some little 3D adhesive here to put them together. Let's see. So I'll just stick it inside this one, and then layer this on here, like so. And then we'll go to the next one here. Now this one I don't have the smaller size of the punch, which a lot of you probably do, but so you could use that for the center, but for this I'm just going to take this size and just cut it smaller, and I'm just kind of going to make my own little scallop kind of edge for that. So it'll be like this, and then you're just going to take your scissors again, and every so often I do about 4 little cuts on here like this. And then you can take the little round thing just to kind of shape it a bit. Kind of bend the edges in, like so, and then that will go on top there. Put some more of the adhesive tape here. There. They go together really quick, so not too much to them. So it's like that. And then you can kind of, if you want to make it come up a little bit. And then you could put a pearl in here, and these colors, the acrylic ones, none of these colors really go with this, so I think I would put a pearl inside there, which I don't have access to just at the moment, but or maybe I do. Let me see here. I think I put one somewhere nearby. Oh yeah, here we go. So I'll just put some more adhesive on that. Don't need too much, just a little piece for the back of that. And so that's on there, and then we'll just add it to the center there. So you get the idea. So you could make up lots of these pretty quickly, and they'd be really cute to add to your cards or gifts. So there's that. And then there's sort of a second part to this that I wanted to show you as well. Some card pockets that I've made. So like many of you, I make quite a few cards, and sometimes you get a little bit of a stockpile, and I thought this would be a good time of year to send some, or to give some cards to someone just to brighten their day. So I came up with these little pockets that I thought were really cute. I made them from, I used a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper, cut it in half, and then made 2 pockets. And so they're close to 6 inches. I think it measured about 5 3/4 inches for the pockets. And I just decorated these ones quite simply, but I wanted to be able to put some of the cards in that I had made previously. So I've got a couple cards in here for a friend. These are cards that she can use, and these ones I had made gift tags to go with them as well, which I had shown in a previous video. And they just slip nicely into these little card pockets that I've made. I thought 2 was a nice number to give someone. So there's that one. And this, I just used a little birds on here that I picked up a long time ago at the dollar store. What was these little kind of Tweety birds? So I used that on here and the word tweet on there. So that's for a friend. And then I made another pocket, the same scrapbook pattern on here, and then I just used the word hello that I had a sticker of the letters there, and some of these flowers, and I had those, just came off a sheet like this from the dollar store as well. And I've got 2 nice cards to fit in there as well for someone, so I thought those would be nice little gifts to brighten someone's day. And then this was the third one. I had done this pocket quite a while ago. I don't know, like probably a year ago or so. And I thought I hadn't done anything with it, so it would be a good way to give cards to someone. It says "You are amazing" on the back, and then this one I can fit 3 cards in here. So these are cards that I had made previously, but I thought it'd be nice for someone to receive those, and then they can use them to give to their friends to brighten their day. So I wanted to share that little bit with you, and maybe if you're a card maker and you do a lot of that, maybe it's a good time for you to share some of your creativity and pass it on and brighten someone's day as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.